Hey everybody, welcome back. Apparently my camera was full and it kicked me off, so here's part 2. Okay, we are making signature pages, a writing journal for this felt-lined paper bag journal cover that we just made the other day. I'll try and remember to put a link to that down below. And okay, so I grabbed some waxed linen thread, or waxed thread, I don't know what's the linen thread, I just waxed thread, and I have 3 signatures, 12 pages each, all punched and measured, and I've marked my top. So I know that means this is the top. Okay, to keep myself straight, because things can go awry when you least expect it. Okay, so I need a needle. I like the blunt end needles because they're the most forgiving when you're a fumble finger like me. Okay, I found a sharp one. That'll be great. But anyway, any of these big needles with a giant eye, so even a blind bat can thread it. And if it's sharp, it's okay. If it's dull, it's okay. It's all good. But you don't really need a sharp needle because you already have pre-punched holes. So the whole thing, if you haven't heard, it's 1, 2, 3 lengths of your thread. You can use embroidery thread. You can use twine. You can use all sorts of different types of strings to string these together. 1, 2, 3. Just be mindful if you're using vintage thread, string, anything, floss, give it a good tug and make sure it still has integrity and it hasn't disintegrated over time, because sometimes they do, and you'll find that your threads will fall apart under pressure. 1, 2, 3. It's called a journal explosion. You don't want that to happen. No. Okay, it's happened to me. I've had like threads give way, so, and I learned, and then I like, okay, don't use those. Use strong, fresh ones when you really want to bind a journal strongly. Okay, now I have not punched these holes in the cover, so guess what my next task is? Get my little crocodile big bite over here again, put my glasses back on so I can aim for the hole, and this is what's happening. We're just punching down with the 1/8, which is the same size that we used for the signatures. Okay, that was the world's slowest, longest sentence. All right, it's because I'm very focused. I'm very, very focused on these little holes, hoping I can get them straight across. Straight lines are not my friend, especially when there's no line, but I have 3 dots, so I'm imagining there's a line, and I'm just punching. Okay, there we go. Here's what it looks like on the outside at this point. Not perfect, but not bad. Okay, and you can remove the little extra fuzz balls because there was felt involved, and this did cut through felt into the paper bag, which was nice. The paper bag, I think, was doubled up, so it's good thickness, good for like a softish but firm journal cover. Doom-to-doon. We have a threaded needle with the wax thread. We are going in. We're ascertaining this is the top. It has been ascertained. We're going to start from the furthest right dot, going in through the middle. This is the old 3-hole pamphlet stitch. You may have seen this 1,000,001 times, or never. It's all good. It's an easy way to put together a journal. It doesn't take much sewing prowess. You just get in there and you sew the bejeebers. Ow, I just stuck my finger. Okay, so that's the downside when you're hurrying and you're using the pointy, sharp needle. You can occasionally stab yourself if you have the deftness of this gal. And not deftness, deftness. And here we go. She will hopefully only do that once on camera. And we carry on. All right, here we go. Now we do pull. You want, okay, here's your bridge, and here are your angel wings. You want 1 angel wing under each side of the bridge. Nobody should be laying on top of the bridge, okay? No, not good. Underneath the bridge. And then pull them equally, and then you want to tie a knot snug. You want to double check everybody's in the right location too. Okay, just put it where you want it to be. Snug but not tight or tearing. Right over left, left over right, and then 1 for good measure because you probably did 1 wrong. Okay, like I do. Maybe you didn't, but I do. So I know better to give it 3 knots, skis. Okay, and then you pull that, and then you get your bone. Okay, now we're going to train the paper because it still wants to not be folded, but we're going to tell it that this is how it's going in life now. You're going to be folded, and you're going to be happy about it. There you go. There you now. You're now a signature. Signature number 1 complete. Stage 2 engaged. Second signature, top located. I'm going to put this against there. Going through the second set of holes. Again, we were going to measure. Oh, we already have these pre-cut. Look at us go. Put this together. Maybe one day I'll learn how to edit. It's not going to be today. I could probably glue these two videos together somehow. I don't know how to do that. Okay, got that. 3-hole pamphlet stitch before your eyes. Trying not to stab herself this time. Okay, looking for the little spine hole. There it is. Out, did it. Stabbed myself. Yep, on camera. Well, you know, what can I tell you? There are blunt-ended needles just for people like me. Multiple wounds. You think she'd learn? Nope, no. Okay, under the bridge. Okay, equi length, right? Snug but not tearing, and just kind of like eyeball it's like in the right position and stuff before you do the final snug but not tearing knots. Okay, snug but not tearing, left over right, right over left, reverse them, and then do one more for good measure in the opposite way of the last one you did, and everybody should be locked into place. Okay, pulling those down, training this paper. Boom, pa-doom, boom, pa-doom, pa-doom. Okay, is that blood? Yep, there you go. Well, we'll have to cover that up. Maybe I'll cut that page out. How about that? Oh, I just had an idea. I think, and I knew. No, are we still bleeding? Are we done? See, I wasn't kidding. I did stick myself. It seems to have stopped now, but I have an idea for that, which is going to be kind of fun. I think we're going to use a paper punch and punch out that piece, and maybe that'll be part of the decor. Okay, so that will be kind of neat. Definitely not bleeding? No, we're not bleeding now. Okay, unless you want a little DNA for me, but I should probably get rid of that, I imagine. Okay, unless we want clones of me running around. Okay, there we go. The top. Gosh, you know, it's just one of those days. One of those days. I really like this journal, though. I'm like falling in love with it as I make it. It's kind of fun to make different stuff every once in a while. Just go down a different avenue, a different alley. I think I was talking about that in a podcast the other day. Of it's okay to, if you feel compelled to go down a different alley, just go down a different alley. Don't be afraid. It's okay. So that's what we're doing today. We're going down the writing journal alley, but we're still going to load it with fun stuff to put in it that can be easily removed, that doesn't require pockets or tucks or anything like that. Just as an alternative style. People make journals for many different reasons, for many different purposes. And I know that we haven't thought of them all, so let's keep thinking and thinking of different ways and different purposes and things like that we can use this for. Okay, checking alignment. Okay, good. Oh, what's going on down here? Yeah, good, good, okay. Snug but not tearing. Snug but not, I have to tell myself that. Snug but not tearing. Snug but not tearing. There we go, and one more time. And yes, again, snug but not tearing. Okay, training the paper. Nothing, good, good. Everything is looking as it should. Okay, there we go. Okay, and you can do them back this way to train them again too, just for extra training reference. All right, very good. Get you in there. Very good. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we have a nice little journal with lots of paper in it. So there's like what, 12 times 3, 36 pages times 4. Somebody do the math. It's a lot of pages for writing. So like 100, I don't know, like 130 something. And lots of things to write. Is that more blood? That's more blood. I'll have to do something with that. My gosh. This is the Bloody Vampire Journal. Apparently we'll make it one of those. Not with pink. I don't think that would really be bloody. It's just like the romantic journal. Okay, so now we have basically completed a book. And at this point, you can just decorate it, which we will do together, and just have some fun with it. So it's got a great feel. It's like I would say it's akin to a leather-bound book, like a soft leather-bound book. That's sort of the weightiness of the felt with the paper bag combination. That kind of feel, that kind of thickness. So there's sturdiness to it with some flex, which is really kind of cool. Band-Aids work really well in this situation. And blunt end. Did I not say blunt? I did. I said blunt end. Blunt end. And I gave this pitch on how you could use a sharp end. Well, yeah, that's why we don't use the sharp end. Let me be the guinea pig, and I'll take one for the team, and go from there. Okay, so I think that's really cool, and this just feels fabulous. It really does. I can't even describe to you how wonderful this little journal feels. It is just cute and adorable, and as a country bumpkin. So, what's today? Today, okay, so today's Wednesday, and the date is the 31st. So today is officially the last day for you to order a FUNDLE and get your triple bonus included with that. So you're going to get 100 plus pieces of, it's going to be a combination of antique ledger, checks, receipts, postcards, black and white photos, T-cards, a lot of different unique book pages, music paper, dictionary pages, nature, science, all sorts of fun categories, 100 plus pieces, free priority mails, and shipping is included. You buy it in my Etsy shop, not my Amazon, my Etsy shop. It's a FUNDLE, and you don't need a code or a coupon to get the triple bonus, which is a book page from a book that was dated 1627. You get a Victorian card and a vintage ticket, all automatically included without batting an eyelash if you order by if you order by the last day of May in 2023. There you go. So Sunbun, do you have anything to say? You're not even here. Okay, well, hang on. Let me find little foo-foo face. Where are you? I see you over on the couch. Yeah, you got your pup date ready? You do? Really? I heard you had something, you have things to say? You do? Yes? Okay. Well, okay, I know what you're going to say, because I was with you. Yes. Okay, is this still rolling? Yes, okay. And here we go. Are you ready? Because you're on. You're like up. Okay, you're out of the green room. You've been coiffed. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. It's Sunshine. Little pup date here. Pup reporter reporting. Mom, no, not with the ears. Stop right now. We're not doing that today. No. Okay. We went to the park today. Yes, we went to the park and we went for a walk. We did. See, I can move my ears. You didn't think I could, did you? No, you didn't. You thought they were just floppy. Show them, Mom, how floppy they are. See, they're very floppy. Okay, can you move them again? I'll try. Okay, where'd you go this morning? We went to the park. Okay, my fingers are not involved. We went to the park, and we went for a walk. Okay, you're not showing your fancy stuff. How come on? Wiggle those ears. We did not go to the car wash. The car wash. Oh yeah, oh, so you can move your ears. Of course I can move everything. Look at me. I'm moving everything. Where's the camera? Hello. Yeah, come on. Get yourself organized. All right. So yeah, we didn't go to the car wash. No, we were supposed to go to the car wash. Mom forgot. Instead we went. Well, Sunshine got dropped off back at home while Mom went and got the chicken. That's the story. That's all I got today, folks. Take care. And I'm going back to bed, apparently. Okay, take care, Sunshine. Happy crafting. Okay, thank you. We truly appreciate all of that. I think the bleeding's over. Okay, so welcome to everybody who's new. Thank you for everybody who has been here. If you don't know, I have a free monthly emailed newsletter. If you sign up for that, the links are all down below in the description box, or over there in the description box, or over there, or wherever it is on what device you're on. Here, I'll put this lovely thing out. If you can't find the links, okay, here's the easiest thing. To find my links, just go to this main link. It's called, Linktree, but it's that weird way. You got to spell it like that. And that will have all my links, so you can just click, which is the easiest way. If you can't figure that out, or you can't type it right, I'm just going to put this here so you can freeze frame it and find the thing that you want, okay? Here's the link to the newsletter if you want to sign up for the newsletter. There you go. Okay, so you get a free digital image emailed to you every month, a checklist of supplies for junk journals, a note from the bookmaker which explains what a junk journal is and how to use it, and I tuck those in the front of my journals, and
page list of ideas on how to break a blank page. My videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts, the audio ones, come out Tuesdays and Thursdays, new material, and then the other days of the week, and actually most days of the week, you'll see video podcasts uploaded on Spotify. And I have an Etsy shop where you can buy journals and bundles and kits when they're available. I also have FUNDLEs, which I told you about. And then I have DigiKits, which are printable, downloadable images. There's 5 pages in each themed DigiKit, like birds or Victorian or dragonfly or those are the ones I always say, celestial. I can't there's over 200 different themes. And so those are there for you to purchase and print out at home. If you don't like to print or don't have a printer, I have a print and mail service. There's a flat fee for that, but you will get 10 DigiKits included with that. You just send me the list of the 10 DigiKits names either to the Etsy message or Etsy contact button or to Pam at the paperoutpost.com. That's my, no, Pam at the paperoutpost.com. That's my email address. Give me your list that way, and I will print those out for you on nice lightweight cardstock, and those will be off on their way to you. You can also say, surprise me, or I like birds and butterflies, and I'll curate a nice collection for you, so you have some options there. And I have an Amazon shop. If you're looking for favorite tools and supplies, you can find links for these items. If I find the links, I will put them in my Amazon shop. This does help my shop, but it does not, you do not pay more for the items for using my links. So thank you very much for everybody who uses those. And also have a t-shirt shop if you like the phrase create with reckless abandon, or everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise. You can get that on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a zipped hoodie, a mug, a tote, or a water bottle. Hey, and also, you can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Come and join our Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun doing weekly and monthly challenges over there, as well as seeing what you guys make from these videos. And also remember that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon, everybody. And we will see you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.